Hello, everyone. Today, we're talking about a serious issue that's affecting more people than we often admit: prison. Whether it's youth getting drawn into crime, people making one bad decision under pressure, or others trying to survive tough environments, the consequences are real. So, let's break it down into 3 parts. 1. Why you should avoid prison. 2. What to do to stay safe if you ever end up there. 3. And how to rebuild your life after serving your time. Let me be honest, prison is not just a punishment, it's a system that can break your body, your spirit, and your future. Loss of freedom, every small thing, when to eat, sleep, talk, has to be approved. Your dignity is challenged every day. Family separation, you lose precious time with your children, spouse, and loved ones. Relationships suffer. Sometimes, they don't survive. Stained record, having a criminal record affects your ability to get jobs, travel, vote, or even rent a place to stay. Violence and trauma, prisons are often dangerous. Fights, gangs, and abuse are real. Mentally, it takes a toll. Wasted potential, you could have been building something, your business, education, talents, but inside, time moves differently. So, how do you avoid prison? Think long term. One quick gain can cost you years. Walk away from toxic friends and influences. Seek help early: mentorship, counseling, prayer, or accountability groups. Value your freedom. Once it's gone, everything else becomes harder. If you ever end up there, stay safe. Now, sometimes life is complicated. Maybe you made a mistake, or were in the wrong place at the wrong time. If you find yourself inside, don't panic. Stay smart. Here's how to stay safe. Stay out of drama, avoid cliques, fights, or arguments. Mind your business. Keep to yourself but be respectful, respect other inmates and staff. You don't need to make friends, but don't make enemies. Use your time wisely, join educational programs, read books, exercise, and reflect. This is your reset. Pray and stay spiritually grounded. Many people find peace through faith. Prayer gives strength when walls close in. Watch who you trust, not everyone who smiles is a friend. Be cautious. Above all, never lose hope. Many have gone in and come out stronger. Let prison refine you, not define you. After prison, rebuilding your life. The day you walk out is a new chapter, but also a tough one. People might look at you differently, but listen, your past is not your prison. What should you do? Don't go back to old habits or old friends that dragged you down. A clean slate needs a clean circle. Start small, stay consistent, get a job, even if it's not ideal. Be faithful with the little. Trust grows slowly. Learn a skill or trade: carpentry, tech, mechanics, farming, or digital work. Skills give you independence. Speak to young people, share your story to stop others from going down that road. Your pain can save lives. Join a support group or mentorship program. People and organizations are willing to help. If society rejects you, God never will. With faith, discipline, and the right help, you can still rise. You have one life. Don't waste it behind bars. Avoid prison by choosing wisely. Survive it with dignity if you're inside. And after, rebuild like your life depends on it, because it does. Your past doesn't cancel your future. Stand up. Stay free. Stay focused. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment if this helped you or someone you love.